Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning. Now you may tell yourself.
Myself Amruta Sriram Kadam from Amnapur, Taluka Police District Sangli. I was completed my graduation in BSc Physics from SS College Police. In my academic career, I completed the project Synthesis of Nanoparticle as well as I participate college level competition, PPL, Youth Festival, NSS and many other sports games. I have completed computer courses like MSCIT, International Computer Skill, etc. My hobbies are reading, drawing, writing, trekking, etc.
Okay, now I will ask some technical questions. You explain De Morgan's second theorem.
Complement of product is equal to sum of complement.
What is full adder?
Full adder is an electronic device which adds 3 binary bits.
What is long form of LSB?
Long form of LSB is least significant bit.
What is long form of MSB?
Long form of MSB is most significant bit.
Okay. What is 4-bit binary adder?
4-bit binary added is an electronic device which added 2 BCD input.
Can you define 4-bit binary subtractor?
4-bit binary subtraction is an electronic device which subtract 4-bit BCD input from other 4-bit BCD input.
Okay, you may tell if decimal equivalent of binary 1110.
Decimal equivalent of binary 1110 is 14.
Good. What is binary equivalent of decimal 15?
Binary equivalent of decimal 15 is 1111.
Good. What ICs are used in the decade counter?
In decade counter experiment, IC used as IC 555 and IC 7490.
Can you define the oscillator?
Oscillator is a device which produces AC output which supplies AC input.
Good. Good. What are the types of oscillators?
Types of oscillator are sinusoidal oscillator and non-sinusoidal oscillator.
Can you give the example of relaxation oscillators?
Example of relaxation oscillator is voltage sweep generator.
What is Barkhousен criterion?
A into B is equal to 1.
In oscillator, what type of feedback is used?
In oscillator, positive feedback is used.
Can you define the frequency?
Frequency is a number of oscillation in 1 second.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वाई आयोजित 6 दिवसांचं प्रॅक्टिकल बेस्ड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स अँड कम्प्युटर इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग.
पात्रता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आणि कम्प्युटरचे शिक्षण आवश्यक. बीई, डिप्लोमा, बीएससी, एमएससी झालेल्यांसाठी उपयुक्त.
या ट्रेनिंगमध्ये भरपूर प्रॅक्टिकल सह मुलाखतीची तयारी करून घेतली जाते, ज्यामुळे जॉब मिळणं सोपं जातं.
ट्रेनिंगसाठी संपर्क डॉक्टर ढेकळे, परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एमआयडीसी वाई, मोबाईल 98 222 41 255.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. Okay, you may tell yourself.
Myself, Vaishnavi Shaji Patil from Bhogav, Tel Palus, District Sangli. I have completed BSc Physics from Arts, Commerce and Science College Palus. My hobbies are poem writing, cycling, dancing, acting, drawing, reading, etc. I have completed project named as Synthesis Nanoparticle in Turmeric. I have completed some courses like MSCIT, Civil Defense and Traffic Safety courses. I have attended state level award exhibition.
Okay, now I will ask some technical questions. The first question is, how can you define input offset voltage?
Yes, sir. Input DC voltage is a required one of the input of the operational amplifier to make output voltage is 0.
Okay, what is slew rate in operational amplifier?
Slew rate is operational amplifier is rate of change of output voltage with respect to time.
Okay, can you define common mode rejection ratio?
Common mode rejection ratio is differential gain to common mode gain.
Okay. Define differential gain.
Differential gain is the ratio output voltage to input voltage.
Okay. What is common mode voltage gain?
Common mode voltage gain is ratio of output voltage to common mode input voltage.
Good. Without feedback, what is the maximum voltage gain of the op amp?
Without feedback is 1 lakh.
1 lakh. What is the frequency at unity voltage gain?
Unity voltage gain is frequency 1 megahertz.
Okay. What is the importance of high input impedance of op amp?
Ability to amplify very small signal is a larger.
Very good. Now, what is the importance of low output impedance of op amp?
Output power larger.
Okay. Can you define digital electronics?
Yes. Digital electronics is a field of electronics which is based on binary bit 0 and 1.
Good. Can you define logic gate?
Logic gate is one or more input and one output.
What are the De Morgan's first theorem and second theorem?
De Morgan theorems: first, complement of sum is equal to product of complement. Second, De Morgan theorem is complement of product is equal to sum of product.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
लेक्चर संपल्याची बेल अगदी वेळेत झाली.
ही किमया आहे परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सच्या ॲटो लेक्चर बेलची. एवढंच नाही तर आता परफेक्टच्या ॲटो राष्ट्रगीत प्लेअरवर तुम्हाला हव्या असलेल्या वेळेवर दररोज स्वयंचलितपणे राष्ट्रगीत वाजवा.
शाळा कॉलेजसाठी उपयुक्त
संपूर्ण ऑटोमॅटिक परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्सचे ॲटो लेक्चर बेल आणि ॲटो राष्ट्रगीत प्लेअर.
फ्री डेमो आणि इन्स्टॉलेशन साठी संपर्क परफेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स MIDC वाई. मोबाईल 98 222 41 255.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Now you may tell yourself.
Myself Poonam Sandeep Jadhav from Sawanpur, Taluka Palus, District Sangli. I have completed my graduation in BSc Physics from SES College Palus. My hobbies are reading books, playing indoor games and drawing. I complete a project named as Synthesis of Nanoparticles. I have completed MSc course.
Okay. Now I will ask some technical questions. Define time period.
Time period is the time required to complete one oscillation.
Good. Can you give the composition of solder wire?
Solder wire consists lead, flux and tin.
Okay. What are the types of PCBs?
Types of PCBs, paper phenolic and glass epoxy.
What is long form of PTH?
Long form of PTH is plated through hole.
Good. Define Ohm's law.
Ohm's law is the current flowing through the circuit is directly proportional to the applied voltage.
Good. What is Kirchhoff's first law?
Kirchhoff's first law is algebraic sum of current flowing towards the branch point is 0.
And second theorem?
Kirchhoff's second theorem is algebraic sum of voltage across each component in the closed circuit is 0.
Good. What is the frequency of main phase voltage in India?
It is 50 Hertz.
In India, what is the main phase voltage and line voltage?
In India, main phase voltage is 230 volt and line voltage is 440 volt.
Okay. If capacitor is coded with 104, then what is its value?
0.1 microfarad.
Okay. What is the relation between farad and microfarad?
1 farad is equal to 10 raised to 6 microfarad.
Okay. If resistance is having value of 10K, what are its color bands?
Color band brown, black and orange.
Okay. If color bands are yellow, violet and yellow, then what is value of resistance?
470 k ohm.
Okay. What is common mode rejection ratio, CMRR?
CMRR is the ratio of differential voltage gain to common mode voltage gain.
Good. How the frequency bandwidth is increased?
In op-amp, frequency bandwidth is increased with increase of negative feedback.